If you're ever wanted to create your own games, you've come to the right place. In this video I will guide you through the process of installing the Unity game engine, which is a widely used game engine that offers a range of features and tools to bring your 2D and 3D game ideas to life. Unity has been used to create some incredibly popular games such as Cuphead, Hollow Knight and even Hearthstone, just to name a few. Now let's get started with the installation process. At first we have to go to the website at unity.com. Here we click on the download button, which takes us to another page where we have to scroll down and click the download for Mac button. When the download is completed, we open the setup file, then we have to agree to the terms of service, and after a short loading time, you see this window where you have to drag and drop the Unity Hub app into your applications folder. And after this process is done, we can open up the Unity Hub by using the Spotlight search and type in Unity Hub. Here we have to agree to trust this app. And now the Unity Hub starts. Inside the Unity Hub, we first have to sign in into our Unity account. If you don't have a Unity account yet, just click on Create Account right here. Then you can create an account by filling out the form or using a social login to log in with your Google, Facebook or Apple account. I will log in with my Google account, and after the login process, I land on my account page. As soon as you're logged into your account in the browser, switch back to Unity Hub and click the Sign In button, and then confirm the login in the browser by clicking on Open in Unity Hub. Because you're already logged into your account on the browser, the Unity Hub takes the session from there and we're done with the login process. Next we install the Unity Editor, which is the program we use to make our games with Unity. Right after our login, we will see this window, which is already configured correct to install the Unity Editor. We just have to click on the install button, accept the personal license edition, which is the free version of Unity that you can use until you earn more than 100k per year. And now the Unity Hub will start to download the Unity Editor. If you don't get to the install window automatically, just click on Installs and click the Install Editor button on the top right corner of the Unity Hub. Here you can choose the Unity Editor version you want to install. I would always recommend the latest LTS version, which stands for long-term support. We click on Install, and here we can select additional packages. But we go ahead with the default selection by clicking on Continue, agree to the terms and conditions, and click on Install to start the installation process. Now the Unity Editor will get installed. Next we set our default project folder by going into the settings and select the preferred project folder right here. Most of the time the default folder is nonsense and should be changed. So I create a new folder called Unity Projects, select this folder and close the settings. Now the Unity Editor is installed and we can create a project to test if it has installed correct by clicking on the projects in the menu and then click on the button New Project in the top right corner of the Unity Hub. Now we have to select any project template. The name of the project is My Project and the folder location is already set to our default location. Now we click on Create Project to start generating this project. This process will take a long time when you generate your first project with Unity. After this process, the Unity Editor will open your new project right away and we're done. Congratulations, you've successfully installed the Unity game engine. In the next video, I will give you a super speed wrap up of all you have to know to start with Unity today. I put it right here in the end card, so what are you waiting for? Let's go! And continue your game dev journey right now.